Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. I know it is that time of the year again when normal skin gets dry. Dry skin gets extremely dry and even oily skin gets dry this period. This period you need to go heavy on your moisturizers and your occlusives. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys how to make a simple hydrating body oil to protect, moisturize and brighten your skin during this Harmattan period. You can also use this oil on a normal day if you're dealing with dry skin or you simply want to just moisturize, glow and brighten your skin. So let us go straight to the point of this video. So I'll just go ahead to list the ingredients we are going to use in making this super rich body glow oil. The first oil we are going to use is the rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin C and vitamin E and also rich in vitamin A, which helps to reduce and reverse sun damage. It also helps to reduce wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. Rosehip oil also has an essential fatty acid, which helps to restore the elasticity of the skin and helps to reduce scars and blemishes. The next ingredient we'll need to make this oil is the carrot seed oil. Carrot seed oil is also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. It has skin protecting and antioxidant properties. Then the next oil we need is lemon oil. Lemon oil is super rich in vitamin C. It helps to improve oily skin. It has antibacterial properties, and the vitamin C in lemon oil helps to reduce hyperpigmentation and melanin producing cells. Then the next oil we are going to be using is apricot seed oil. Apricot seed oil is a rejuvenating natural oil that is ideal for softening the skin and restoring a healthy glow to the skin. Then we'll be adding another oil, the lavender essential oil. Lavender is a potent source of antioxidants and it is very, very beneficial to the skin. When it comes to skin repair and anti-aging, lavender oil is good. Lavender essential oil is good. The last but not the least oil we'll be needing for this recipe is the vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, but aside acting as an antioxidant, it also helps to fade scars, to diminish stretch marks, and also protect your skin from sun damage. And it also helps with wrinkles as well. So imagine all those beautiful ingredients combined in a single product. Tell me why your skin will not glow this Harmattan period. Just tell me, okay? So here are the measurements for this recipe. For the rosehip oil, you'll be needing 70 grams of rosehip oil. You need a kitchen scale, please, for this product, a kitchen scale. Then you need carrot seed oil, 30 grams, lemon oil, 5 grams, apricot seed oil, 20 grams, lavender essential oil, 5 drops, vitamin E oil, 2 grams. These are the steps to follow in making this oil. You pour all the oils using the measurements I gave into a clean bowl and mix thoroughly. After mixing, add your vitamin E oil, mix again for all the ingredients to blend and incorporate into each other. Pour your oil into a bottle and package. You can use this oil morning and night during this Harmattan period to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. If you prefer to make your products by yourself, or you don't just have money to buy expensive skincare products, or you are dealing with dry skin, if you have a very dry skin, for more effective results, if you have a dry skin, this is how you use this oil. You apply a thick moisturizer on your skin, then you apply the oil to lock in moisture. Trust me, if you can do this, dry skin will be the last thing you have to deal with this Harmattan period. So like I said, this is a super rich, moisturizing, skin-loving body oil. This oil is going to brighten and glow your skin. This oil contains rich ingredients, rich oils, yes. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you got value from this video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you are seeing my face for the first time, or you have been seeing my face for some reason or the other, you have not subscribed. Please do so now by clicking on the red button below. It is not expensive, just a tap, just a tap, and that's all you have to do, okay? I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.